Alright, chat. I know you can hear my my breathing, and I do apologize about that. A new audio setup. Hello, police Phil. But yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm based in the lovely country of New Zealand with my 2006 CBR600RR. Production quality on these videos will be sort of because I'm still learning, but this is my bike. I fucking love it. I apologize if you can hear the music too. Should probably pause that. But yeah, this is my 2006 CBR600RR. I'll probably try and blur my license plate there just so who knows. But yeah, awesome bike, still pretty new on it. Orange colorway, I absolutely love. Potentially in the future I might go either sort of a Nardo grey colour. What's loud? Either a Nardo grey colour or just straight white with white wheels. But yeah, I don't know where this will go, whether many people will watch this or not, but this is my bike. I ride it around quite a lot. It is currently cold as fuck in New Zealand. That's the biggest thing. I think it's like 9 degrees Celsius, whatever Fahrenheit that is. I'm sorry, I do not know, but yeah, fuck, it's cold as shit. But let's go for a ride. And I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear this, but your typical Yoshimura sound. Don't expect anything too crazy. My first two videos with no audio setup did pretty well. I mean, I'm happy with anything, to be honest, but hoping that like picks everything up nicely. This will be more of like a tester than any long ride. If this sounds good, obviously I don't know how much editing I'll do, but I'll edit it, post it, and then do a longer ride where I get followed tomorrow by my girlfriend. Maybe she can film. Yeah, there you go, 9.6 degrees. Don't you do it. And let's try and not be too loud. There shouldn't be too many of the ops, and by ops I mean cops, around. So let's not take any chances though. Yes, I'm wearing an orange hoodie to match my bike. No, I do not give a fuck. Biker friend. Alright, goodbye. Just met a really fucking nice guy on a CBR600RR. So that was a nice little surprise. Really nice guy. He's got a hell of a commute in front of him though. I kind of feel bad. I'm out here riding my bike for fucking leisure, and bro's out fucking... He just finished work, man. It's like 7 o'clock. Let me know in the comments, like, what needs to be improved. If the mic's in a good spot, but I'll be able to figure that one out pretty quickly. I hope the wind isn't too bad. Usually my my center's okay, but yeah. Oh my god, do I love this bike. These days of someone new, I'm falling in love just a little bit. I need to remember that I'm fucking recording. Church is popping off for all my brothers that do that. I got scared by a bin. Jesus. Yeah, I really hope this mic placement's all good. I might pull over soon and check. Pull up to my boss's house. Hello. I have to short shift because this thing is hideously loud. I do absolutely love this bike. Anyone thinking of getting a CBR600RR? I know they're harder to find in New Zealand, but if you can find yourself one, God, you will not look back. I'm not speeding. Shh. We'll go down here. It scared me. Fucking rig scared me. I was about to absolutely haul down here too. Legally, of course. Alright. Neutral first try. Alright. Let me check some footage. I'll be back. Alright, we're moving. Pulled over in this wherever I am area, and mic quality seems all good. You can hear my breathing, so I don't know if I'll try a different spot, but let's keep moving. Oh, the bike popped really nicely. I know this needs to be more tilted up, so I'll test camera angles a bit more tomorrow. I think I'm gonna turn it around and have it hanging down so I can angle it up a bit more. I'm not the tallest rider ever, so the CBR feels hella good for me. Alright, buddy, get out of my ass. Wow, it is cold by these hills. I guess you should know a little bit about me first. I'm 21, have a passion for motorcycles, as you can hopefully tell. God, it's foggy through here. Been riding bikes for probably about the last 3 years on the road now. Started off on obviously a lot smaller bikes. Worked my way up. New Zealand has a weird licensing system, so I'm not going to get into all of that, but it yeah, it's really weird. Like bikes that are 190 kgs but 117 horsepower. Holy fuck, everyone is looking at me. I'm a nice guy, I swear. Feels like entering the fucking interstate. Oh my god, that's the best gas station ever. Best with photos, best if you want to sell a bike, buy a bike, tell them to meet you there, good quality gas. I love a mobile. What is that? Oh, cyclist. Should get a motorcycle, mate. I'll ride during winter when I can, but I'd say once summer rolls around, my uploads are going to be far more frequent. Hopefully, I don't know. It's if the bug for this continues, which hopefully it does. I mean, I've streamed on Twitch pretty successfully, but that's obviously video games. Thank you, sir. Almost died. But yeah, I mean, this is more of a test than anything. I will edit it up and I will post it just to see how it goes. But tomorrow I should be going on a bit of a better ride, get some speed up, show you my cornering tech. Which I don't think I'm a bad rider. I'm not necessarily the greatest rider on the planet, but you know, who is? Apart from obviously like Valentino Rossi or something. Fucking bump right in the turn there, god damn. Now if I was immature, I would do a pull. Very small one, very baby one. Keep it light, keep it relaxed. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for my riding for today. I'll be back on tomorrow. It's supposed to be an absolute perler, so I look forward to that. These will probably come out days in advance, like days from now. Yeah. But yeah, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. No, I'm kidding. Alright, goodbye.